Okay, guys, so we have a new project for today about how to restore the computer chair. So if you have a extra stock screw, so it fits here. This is the original screw for this. Okay, original screw for this to become tight and to become is restoring your computer chair before you sell it to the online in garage or marketplace to make money in this summer. Easy money without cost. Only you know the how storing your project like chair or table. So this is the original and this is the not original. So instead it's stuck it is in your house. You can use it now. This is the time to use it now because I have a lot of different screws from roof to wall metal, some other screws for other projects in Regina, Wayborn, or somewhere other clients before. So this is the original and this is not. So I have three different types of screws. So let's try. So one piece here. You need to check it. Not too much tight, so not broken your bit. You screw and deform your brace at the bottom for your screw. And screw like this as long it's tight. It's getting tight and no wiggle, no problem. Whatever design, whatever long or different screws like Robinson, Philip, or Platt. Okay, so much better if you have also extra of washer. Like me, I have a different types of washer. I stuck it. See, different types of washer, so it helps easily to tight or handle your project. Okay, ever any sizes. helps, right? See? Good. And we put the original with washer. That's the most important. Washer. So instead, use not your washer. You think this is the time to use your washer. Okay. This is the time to use your washer. Your stock washer in the house. So not too much tight, so not become broken your bit, your screws in this panel. Okay, last one. Speed. Speed. Try this small one, so it's good. Okay. Sure. Okay, guys, so no choice. We need to use this to reach the thread. Okay. good. It's already restoring this blank screw before, two before, and this one. Okay, this screw, check tight, all tight, 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 and tight. Okay, so I think this is good now. My computer chair. Okay, this is how to restoring my computer chair now. Is ready to sell it now in the marketplace and uh, in the garage for making extra money after restoring this project for today after the table. So if you have knowledge how to make restoring your chair, table, TV, appliances, or electronics like cell phone, anything, clothes, nothing to send. No need boss. You are the boss. You know how to make money without boss or completing the 8 hours or how many hours you working. So this is after you do it by yourself in your house, your project or damaged stuffs. So you can use it to make money extra in this summer season. Okay, so this is advice to you, the tips how to make money in this summer for your stuffs like damage or broken something, and then you want to sell it because you didn't know you didn't use it. So that's it. Sell it to make money. Okay. See you guys. So this is our tips for today. How to restore your project, table, chair, etc. etc. Okay. Okay. See you guys. Hopefully you like this tutorial how to make and restore your computer chair. Okay, see you guys. Hope you like it and subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video for this week to next week to my YouTube channel. And I hope you like it. This advice, tips, or tutorial how to make your own stuffs to make your money extra income in your marketplace or in your house. Okay, that's our tips for today. How to make money and restoring your project stuffs. So that's only my advice to you guys. I hope you learn from me. Okay, see you guys.